Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals, and I am here with a super special memory plan with me, for the 19th to the 25th of November 2018, and I am using a printable kit because this is a super special collab plan with me with Colleen, who I will link the information of down below, who she primarily uses printable kits. So for our collab, we are using a printable kit, and I have print and cut this with my craft knife. So these are the full boxes and some of the other bits and pieces, the bottom washi and things. For this sheet, I haven't cut any of the icons or any of this script or circular things, basically. I've cut straight things. So that's that sheet. This is from Blushberry on Etsy, who I will also link down below. As always, everything I use will be linked down below. Glitter headers, washi strips, things like that. Then we have a sheet that I basically cut up and cut to pieces by accident. So we have the ombre heart check boxes, we have these work labels, we have some plain labels, we have some half boxes, some habit trackers, and some online order trackers. And as usual, I pulled out the stickers I'm going to use. I also have, as usual, lots of washi. These three are from Simply Gilded, these two are from Fox and Cactus. They are all in silver foil, and I am pulling in a bit of silver foil for the spread. So yeah, please go and check out Colleen's channel, and yeah, enjoy. I will speed her up and I'll see you on the other end. Okay, so for this collab I have some questions to answer. So me and Colleen both set 5 questions. I'm going to answer one of mine and then one of Colleen's, and yeah, then that should take us basically through this voiceover. I've already recorded this once, so yeah, because I was too slow and answered the questions in too much detail and ran out of video. But yeah, so I'm just mixing everything out. I'm not going to talk about what I'm going to do because I'm just going to talk about the questions. So I'm going to alternate whose question it is, starting with one of Colleen's. So the first question is your favourite planner shop, and I suspect most of you can guess the answer to it. I love Planner Face. It's where most of my kits come from, and yeah, I would buy all of her. I love her functionals as well, and I love her icons, so yeah, it's got to be Planner Face, with Strawberryland Designs being a close second, especially now she has started doing some foil. My next question is, have you made any friends through the planning community? Any particularly close ones? So the answer to that is definitely a big yes. I have. My closest or best planner friend is Beth, who I met through a Simply Gilded fan page that we both used to admin for, but neither of us do anymore, with one thing and another. And yeah, we've become quite close, and I think she's great. I also have to mention Anna from Planner Face and Jenna from, well, Jenna I sort of knew personally, and then we both found that each other were in the planning community, so yeah. And then there's other shop owners that I talk to and I really like as well, and I hope they would class me as friends. So yeah, the next question is, what did I like most about the kit? Definitely the colours. Like the blue and purple colours of this kit are just my favourite all-time colours, so yeah, that's my favourite thing about the kit. The next question is, what's your favourite form of social media for all things planner, and why? So I like all social media for all things planner. My favourite has to be YouTube, because I love sort of the chatty aspects of it, how you seem to become properly friends with the person you're watching, and how it's so chatty and informal, and yeah, I really like that, and I feel like you get to know people a little bit better through YouTube videos. I do also like Instagram for Instagram stories because they're quite interactive, and I really like Facebook for Facebook groups, and that is actually was my introduction to the planning community, was Facebook groups, so that has a special place in my heart as well. The next question is, what did you like least about the kit? So the thing I liked least about the kit was cutting it out by hand, because I'm lazy essentially, but that is my own fault for not owning a silhouette or whatever. But other than that, if we ignore that, because that's not really the kit itself, that's just me not owning a silhouette. The thing I liked least was that it didn't have very many boxes in it, and normally I use my kits over 2 weeks and I have plenty of boxes, but I felt quite short on this. I used quite a lot of the washi strips and things, and lots of the checklists, even though I was cutting them up, which I wouldn't normally have to do if I was using a kit just in 1 week rather than 2. Like in both planners, but I've only used this kit in this planner. So yeah, that's my least favourite thing about the kit. And the next question is, do you get FOMO, fear of missing out, in the planner community, or are you good at not buying all the things? I get FOMO, but I'm sorry if you just heard my phone vibrate. I get FOMO, but I'm trying better not to, particularly with Simply Gilded washi and exclusive kits. I'm really bad at buying them, even if I don't need them, and I'm trying to be better. I am on a no spend after Black Friday until the big meet. I might break that for a little bit of Simply Gilded washi, but even then I have to be strict about it, and I might break it for the Planner Face big albums. But we'll see. But yeah, I definitely get FOMO. But I'm trying better, and I do need to try a lot harder with it. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. The big meet is a long time away. I'm a little bit like, really, Tilly, you think you can manage that long? I don't think I can, but we'll try. The next question is from Colleen, and is, if you could visit one planner craft shop in the USA, which would it be and why? So it would be Michael's, for the simple reason of Chrissy-Anne Designs at Michael's. I love Cindy Gunterbaldo. She is one of my favourite people in the planner community. I'm a Patreon of hers, and I just think she's great. She's just so unapologetically herself, and I love that. So yeah, I would want to get the Chrissy-Anne Designs line from Michael's, because then I could have her writing my sticker without paying the price of Chrissy-Anne Designs shop stickers and customs, etc. Also, Michael's has lots of different things, and I feel like I could get lots of things that I would want there. So yeah, Michael's is the answer, the long and the short answer. There are good other places that would be good, so like Hobby Lobby and things like that could be pretty cool. But yeah, I want to visit Michael's. Hopefully going to the States next year, so hopefully I could visit it then. We'll see. I don't know where in the States I'm going and how close to Michael's will be, but that's the hope. So the next question is, if you could only buy from one shop for each of the following types of stickers, what shop would it be? The first one is kits, and I'm also gonna another one of them is functionals, and my answer for both of these is the same, and quite predictably, Planner Face. I love Planner Face stickers, and yeah, so that would be my answer for both of those. I own probably 50% of Anna's kits that she's ever released, so yeah, and her functionals are just fab. They come in so many different colours, especially now she's released her pastel line. Pastel. The next one is foil, and I would have to say Handcrafted by Cherie, because she does so many customs, and her foil is a really good price. Character, this is hard. I think I would have to go... Oh, this is really hard. I'm sort of stuck between a couple here. The first one I want to mention is Fox and Cactus, because that way I could, and I think that's probably my answer, because that way I could have animals and people like character stickers, because she does a quite wide variety. But I also love Munchkins from What's More With Love, and I've got a newfound love of Ratties from Crafty Rat Designs here in the UK. So that also has to have a special mention. But I think my answer has to be Fox and Cactus. Script, I have to go anything Elsie. Her handwriting is beautiful, and her script stickers are her handwriting, and so anything Elsie for script. Functional, I've answered. Foiled kits, probably have to say Harriet Wright Designs. There's not that many shops that I buy foiled kits from. Oh no, that's a lie. That's not my answer at all. I do like Harriet Wright Designs foiled kits, but my answer would have to be Morello Papery. Her foiling is stunning, and yeah, I really like her style of stickers. Her kit format doesn't really work for me, but her ship times and things like that are much better than Harriet Wright Designs, so that's got to be my answer for that one. And I get impatient waiting for stickers, so yeah, Morello Papery, and Emily's a babe as well, who owns Morello Papery. Next question is, if you could be a PR girl for anything planner related, what would it be? There's an obvious answer, but I already PR for Planner Face, but Planner Face is the obvious answer there, because but genuinely most of the stickers that go down in my planner are hers. And yeah, so PRing for her is great, because I don't even have to I only ever want to PR for people that I love the stickers of, because I'm not about sort of pretending I love something just to PR for them. So yeah, Planner Face. The other people that I would love to PR for don't necessarily have PR girls, so I'd love to PR for Simply Gilded, who doesn't have PR people, just because I own a lot of Simply Gilded as well, and a discount would be quite nice. And I do love Simply Gilded washi. Then other things might be Strawberry Lime Designs. I'd love to PR for Crafty Rat Designs. That said, I'm not applying for. She's got PR team openings at the moment, but I'm not applying. Fox and Cactus. Basically, all of the shops I've mentioned, I would happily PR for, because I genuinely love them, and I would only want to PR for people I love. Last question is, so yeah, that's how I feel about PRing. You should only PR for people that you actually genuinely love, because otherwise it's fake. Anyway, last question, and I'm running out of time, so I better get on to it, is who are some of your favourite planner YouTubers? So, I could split this up into lots of categories. I really like Anna Williams and Steffi Maria Plans, who are EC sticker people. I love Natalie Bowers and Erin Floto, who do bullet journaling, and there's another one I love that does bullet journaling, but I can't think what her name is. But they're two of Tally That Quirky Girl, who also does other videos. Then Cindy Gunter-Baldo, who I've already said I'm a Patreon of, and I love her. She does Erin Condren and bullet journal. Then other Erin Condren people I love. I'm sure there's more I want to mention. What's her name? My Crafty Plans. I made a list earlier yesterday when I recorded this voiceover for the first time, but I've had to re-record it because I ran out of time and I've lost my list. And I'm sure there are some more. But anyway, that is the long and the short of it. And there we have all the questions. If you'd like to take part, please answer the questions down below, or answer them on Instagram and tag me, or just leave a link to wherever you answered them. I'd love to read your answers. And with that, I am finished planning this week, and I'll hand over to show you the finished spread. Enjoy. Okay, so here we have everything finished out. That is the whole spread. Yeah, it was a bit of a strange week. I feel like this washi doesn't really match, but oh well, it's fine. There's no really of the blue that's in this kit, but it's fine. This is fine, and this is fine. And I'm not sure how I feel about how it's kind of writing on the sides of this boxes, but all in all, I like the spread. Was it worth cutting out every sticker? Perhaps not. Will I definitely buy printable kits when and if I buy a silhouette? Yes, because I love the artwork and I love how this came together, but it was just so much effort to cut it all out. Props on Colleen for doing it. So yeah, as I said at the beginning, this was a collab with Colleen. I'm gonna quickly run through, and yeah, her video will be linked down below and everything. I've just propped some matches under there to hold that up, but I'm gonna zoom in and show you where everything is from. So the kit, I've forgotten what the shop is called. Blushberry. The kit is from Blushberry. This is from Philo Fabulous, I think. These date dots are from Happy Scrappy. This is from Planner Face. This is from Laura Jane Styles. This is from Choco and Mimi. This is from Once More With Love. This is from Coffee Monster Co. Laura Jane Style, Keller's Bertha Plans, Ginger Cat Co, JD's Crafts. This is some deco from a Planner Face kit. This 2018 is from Handcrafted by Cherie. This is from Planner Face. This is from Planning with C. This is from Paper Chip Plans. This is from Little Thought Store. This is from Ginger Cat Co, Choco and Mimi, Harriet Wright Designs, Stationery Planner, Stationery something. Be linked down below. My Newest Addiction, Ginger Cat Co, Laura Jane Style, Strawberry Lime Designs, Harriet Wright Designs, Diamond Print Designs. This washi is from Simply Gilded. This one and this one are from Fox and Cactus. These two are also from Simply Gilded. On the other side, this weekend love is from a Happy Planet sticker book. These two are from Laura Jane Stars. This is from Once More With Love. This is from Diamond Print Designs. Fox and Cactus, Choco and Mimi. Fantasy Design Store, Fox and Cactus, Ginger Cat Co. I don't know where this is from, sorry, I bought it in a D stash and I can't remember. These bows are from Strawberry Line Designs. This is from Blossom Nose Co. These two are from Plump Planner. Strawberry Line Designs, Little Thought Store, Ginger Cat Co. Laura Jane Styles, JD's Craft, I can't remember. Munchkin Monster Paper Co. Something like that. Choco and Mimi, I've said this was from Strawberry Line Designs. This is from Ginger Cat Co. Manuals Addiction, Philo Fabulous, Little Thought Store, Choco and Mimi. These are just from a random craft shop. Once More With Love, K. Elizabeth Plans, Choco and Mimi, Fox and Cactus. And that is everything. And I can't believe how little is left in this planner. I've got like a month left. It's ridiculous. Just prop this back up on the Matchbox for your finishing shots. So yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like down below. Go check out Colleen's channel and consider subscribing and liking her videos. I'd love to know down below if you'd ever want to do a collab with me or if you've used printable kits. I answer either or both of the questions. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope to see you next time. Bye!